If you look very carefully, it's actually the shield around those engines that's hot. That is the result of atmospheric heating inside the engine skirt. And so now, with it plummeting towards the ground, it's time to slow down. It lights up 13 of those engines, performs a rapid deceleration to make sure that it's not going to hit the ground, and then for the fine control, it switches back to 3 engines. Now, as it gets really close, it makes those last-minute corrections, bringing it in close to the tower between the giant chopsticks, and Mechzilla closes its arms around the booster, carefully putting itself under those pins and holding the rocket for a successful catch.